Today, I am going to show you a very healthy breakfast recipe. It is called overnight oats. It takes 5 minutes to prepare. You prepare it at night, and your next morning breakfast is ready. It's a very easy recipe, and delicious as well. So let's start. First, you need a half cup of oats. The next ingredient is chia seed. The third ingredient is yogurt. Then you add 1 fruit. You can add banana, or blueberries, strawberries, or mango. Fruit can be frozen if you want. Then add some nuts. Almond or walnut, the one you prefer. For sweetness, add 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. And a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then add a half cup of milk or almond milk. Now mix all the ingredients in a bowl or in a jar, and put it on the fridge overnight.